If you're looking to improve your stream quality and reduce the load on your gaming PC, a dual PC streaming setup is one of the best solutions available. By using a dedicated streaming PC and a single capture card, you can keep your gameplay smooth while producing a professional quality stream. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to set up a dual PC streaming setup with one capture card, connect all of the hardware, configure OBS Studio, and optimize your settings for Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook gaming. So before getting started, make sure you have a gaming PC, a streaming PC or laptop, an HDMI capture card, two HDMI cables, OBS Studio installed on both systems, of course, a monitor, Ethernet connection for both PCs, which is highly recommended, and an audio mixer or USB microphone. Now, start by connecting the HDMI cable from your gaming PC's graphics card output to the HDMI input on your capture card. This allows the capture card to receive the video signal from your gaming PC. And then you need to connect the capture card to your streaming PC. Next, connect the capture card to your streaming PC. Depending on your hardware, this may be USB capture card. You can connect it via USB 3.0, a PCIe capture card, install the streaming PC, and wait for Windows to detect the device and install any required drivers. After that, you need to connect your monitor. If your capture card supports HDMI pass-through, you can connect an HDMI cable from the capture card's HDMI output to your monitor. Now, if your GPU has multiple outputs, connect the monitor directly to your gaming PC. You can use display duplication in Windows. This lets you play without latency while the capture card sends a copy of the video signal to the streaming PC. Next, I need you to configure the display settings. On the gaming PC, right-click the desktop, select Display Settings, scroll to Multiple Displays, and choose Duplicate these displays. Select your monitor and capture card display, and of course, I need you to click Apply. Now, your gaming PC will now send the same image to both your monitor and capture card. Of course, you need to install the OBS Studio on your streaming PC. Launch OBS Studio on streaming PC, and then you need to create a scene. By clicking the plus icon under Scenes, naming the scene Gameplay. Now add the capture card source. You can click the plus icon. Under Sources, select Video Capture Device. Create New, choose your capture card, and click OK. You should now see your gaming PC's display inside OBS. Now, finally, you need to test your stream. This step is the final but the most important part. Before going live, record a local test video, check the audio quality, verify video smoothness, and watch for any frame drops. Confirm microphone levels are balanced, and making adjustments now can prevent issues during a live broadcast. Setting up a dual PC streaming setup with one capture card is an excellent way to achieve smoother gameplay and higher quality streams. By connecting your PC to a dedicated streaming PC through a capture card and properly configuring OBS Studio, you can create a professional streaming experience that's reliable, scalable, and ready for platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook gaming. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.